Hi, today we're going to look at a really useful little tool, pre-formatting cells with a drop-down list to ensure users correctly input from a choice of values. The simplest way to insert a drop-down list is to left-click on the cell or group of cells that you want to set up with a drop-down list. Next, navigate to Data on the top menu bar, and then left-click and go across to Data Validation and left-click once again. This will open a control box where you need to change the Allow field from any value to List. Next, in the Source field, simply type in the allowed values using the comma delimiter. Click on OK, and the original cells chosen will now have a pre-populated drop-down list. If you're going to be using the same dataset as the drop-down list multiple times, I would recommend setting up a reference tab. Left-click on the Add tab symbol at the bottom of this left screen, and then right-click and rename the tab to Reference tab, or whatever you prefer. Then on this new sheet, make a list of the options you wish to see in your drop-down list. Go back to the original sheet, and in the cells that you want to populate with a drop-down list, once again, click on Data, click on Data Validation. Then in the control box, change any value to List. Move down to the Source, and left-click on the arrow on the end of the Source box. Now navigate across to the Reference tab, and highlight the cells that make up the pre-populated list. Click on Enter and this will populate the source. Then click on OK. If you go back to your original sheet, you'll now find that those cells can be populated from this drop-down list. Thanks for listening, and see you soon with some more tips and hints for Excel.